everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's NaturalNanz. I'm recording this video because I've been seeing so many videos on YouTube about how people's hair grew so long within a week from using rice water. So I wanted to document this now, a week before. I have my rice water fermenting as we speak. Let's cut to the clip of me making it. So we're going to start off with black rice. I decided to use black rice because I heard that the smell is a lot better than white rice after it has fermented for 24 hours. So I'm going to be using half of this bag, which is about 125 grams, and this will last you about 3 days depending on how much you spray in your roots every night. So now I'm going to be washing the rice. This is very important. You don't want any dirt in there because this is going to be going in your hair. In my case, it's going to be staying in my hair for the whole week. So you want it to be clean. So now this is the clean rice with some fresh water, and I'm going to leave it in this jar overnight until the next night when I'm going to be using it for the first time. So this is now 24 hours later. I did come back in the morning to stir the rice a bit, but now you can see it is quite dark and all the goodness that we want from it has been drawn out. Now for the oils that I'll be adding, I will be adding 10 drops of each essential oil. The neem oil, I'm going to put 1 dropper, and the castor oil is about 20 mils. So we're starting off with neem oil. We also have orange oil, castor oil, peppermint oil, and rosemary oil. And this is the bottle I'll be putting everything in. So I decided to add some extra oils to this rice water because from the videos I've seen, rice water is very high in protein. It's like doing a protein treatment, and I wanted to add a little bit more moisture to it so that my hair can stay balanced. I will be spraying this on my scalp every night, oiling my ends every night for a week, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what my hair looks like. Now I'm going to show you how I use the rice water in my hair. I always work in sections. It just makes my life so much easier. Using the mixture, I concentrate on spraying the rice water on my roots. That is my focus. I don't really care to put it on the rest of my hair because I am worried about the protein overload, but at the same time I do know that it will run down. After 2 days, I could already feel a difference. It's amazing how it made my hair feel. My hair was just a lot more softer, smoother, and manageable, funny enough. For some extra moisture, I'm using the Elvive No Haircut Cream. This is a really good leave-in conditioner, and it just helped me to keep the protein moisture balance in my hair throughout the week. Now I'm just twisting up my hair, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other 3 sections. This is after I had applied the rice water for 7 days. I also want to note that I did use the greenhouse method every night just because my hair was wet, but it did actually help with the moisture. this point, my hair just feels softer, fluffier, and stronger. With rice water, to be honest, I was hoping to see like 3 inches of growth within a week and thickness like I've never seen before, but that's not what happened. Instead, I think I have reactivated some follicles, which is so interesting. I normally part my hair down the middle, and now the middle part of my hair has like fuzzies, like it's like literal short hairs growing, and I've never seen that before. I know it's not breakage because I haven't been suffering from breakage. My shedding has actually decreased quite a bit, so I'm really excited about that. So even though I didn't see any length, we are seeing some progress. I haven't noticed a large amount of growth within this week. I know that's not realistic to expect, especially considering my hair type, but what I did see is there's follicles in my roots that are reactivated. I don't know, I need to do more research on this, but I don't know if it has switched on the growth phase for some of my follicles, which is awesome, and I definitely want to keep it in my regimen. I'm going to be starting a hair growth challenge. Soon. That's probably going to be the next video that I post up, and I will show you guys what I'm going to do. I know now for sure that rice water is going to be part of that. This past week I was applying it every night, using also a leave-in conditioner. I don't know if that's realistic. Every night seems like a lot, and my hair is like saturated with product right now. Like it really needs a good clean. But it really helped, and my hair is so soft and it's so bouncy, and I'm really enjoying it. Also, I did use black rice. Side note, I did not keep this in the fridge throughout the week I was using it, but the smell really wasn't that bad. And you did see in the clip before, I did add in other essential oils, so I think that really helped with the smell. But at the same time, the essential oils that I did add do help with hair growth and do stimulate hair growth, and have a video talking about them, how they smell, and what they do for your hair up here. But yeah, I'm very excited. I can't wait to start this hair growth journey with you guys, and I really want you guys to join me. I feel like, we're in quarantine. Why not grow our hair? I mean, we can tend to it, we can look after it, and we're home. We don't have to do these elaborate styles to look presentable at work anymore. We can just put our hair in a scarf. We can put our hair, even though that is presentable, first of all, okay. We have the freedom to do our hair, we have the freedom to learn our hair, we have the freedom to experiment with our hair. So I really want to take this time to just grow my hair, see what it loves, and flourish. Please comment down below any videos you'd like to see from me, any routines, products. I will be also in this period, funny enough, even though I'm going to be growing my hair, I am going to be doing wash and goes. So I'm going to be showing you guys those combinations very soon. I'm very excited to test things out. I just got Eco Styler Gel. I have the Cantu Curl Activating Cream. I have a ORS gel, which I'm excited to try. And I'm interested to see how that looks. And also I want to try doing some wash and goes using creams instead of gels, because I know my hair already loves creams. It loves thick creams, shea butter, like raw shea butter. I can put that on my hair and my hair is happy. So it's the gel piece that I'm like new to, but either way I'm excited. So rice water is definitely a yes from me. I've noticed increased strength, I've noticed increased growth in my roots, I have noticed, and I'm so excited about that, because that means like in a few years that's gonna translate into thickness. Like overall, I'm so excited. I think in my next video I will show you the actual. It's so crazy, it's so crazy, it's unbelievable. It's literally like I have baby hairs in the middle of my hair, just because it's like fuzz this short, to the point where I can't even part my hair anymore, because you can see it, like my hair just looks frizzy, but I know it's growth. I know it's growth, so I'm so excited. So excited. Whoop whoop. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what I was talking about with the new follicles. Like, look at this. Look at this. And I know this is not breakage, because I've been having an issue with my part. Like, I can't even, can I have a clear part anymore? Because I remember I used to worry about how my part is like, you know, the Dead Sea, the Red Sea. But look, this is crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Even like a bit of my edges. Like, look, what is that nonsense? Well, it's not nonsense, it's great. But look at this. Whose edge is that long? Mine. I'm definitely seeing the beginning of thickness, because this is just the way I usually part my hair, but imagine everything that's going on inside here. I'm so excited. Please try out the black rice. I got it from Woolworths. I need to see if I can find a place where I can get it cheaper, because we all know what Woolworths is like. And you know what I'm saying? I'll also keep you updated on that. If I can find a place where I can get black rice for cheap, I will let you guys know. That's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe down below and like this video. Share this video on LinkedIn, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, post it on your Instagram stories. Where else? Tumblr, if you guys still have Tumblr. If you have a blog, put a link for your girl. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Look at this shrinkage. Boing. Boing. If you like this makeup look, I'm going to be posting it on my IGTV. I don't know why, but this is giving me like Springbok vibes. I don't. If I can insert a picture of a Springbok, I will. But it's giving me Springbok vibes. I'll find a picture and I'll show you, and then you'll agree with me.